gentlemen, one of our best practitioners, will impart with you his story of success in Peru. Now let us all welcome no other than Sir John Jason Bizagar, Assistant Unit Manager of Blue Pearl 7, three-time National Achiever 2021 to 2023, four-star Life Club qualifier, first National Achiever unit level, top producer 2020 and 2021 unit level, top case counter 2020, 2021, 2022 unit level, top agent 2019 to 2021 unit level, top 3 case counter 2021 to 2023, and top 3 unit producer 2021 to 2023. A round of applause please for Sir John Jason Bizagar.
All right. So, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. So, sabay kuan. Good morning sa Bisaya. All right. So, where I am from, we say maupay nga aga. Yes, because I'm from Tacloban City. And forgive me for my broken Bisaya. I like to warn you because I speak Tagalog and whatever. All right. So let me introduce myself. First, my name is John Jason Bizagar, and a lot of people here in Cebu call me JJ. So that's my name. And I'm just here to share about my journey here in Peru Life UK. And by the way, I started in Peru Life UK. Who are students here? Students? Yeah. I started in Peru Life UK when I was 20 years old. Yes. And up until now, I'm 26. I'm still here. All right. So I started in Peru Life UK way back in 2018 as I was coded and I became part-time. I was part-time virtual assistant that time. So I was working in Upwork or what do you call this one? TransferWise. That was my company, previous company. So I had an 8 to 5 job, just like most of you, right? It was an 8 to 5 job. And then I became a part-time financial advisor up until the year 2019. And I decided to become a full-time financial advisor in pandemic time in 2020 up until today. So if you're wondering if you can start as a part-time financial advisor, definitely you can start as a part-time financial advisor here in Peru Life UK. All right, so let me tell you about a little about myself. When I was in college, I was selling. Kinsa diri ang mahilig sa racket-racket. Kana bang nagbaligya bisan ng ilang ko ang ganang nanay gibalik. so mahilig ko ana sa college ko na maligya ko stick o kana mga papel sa mga kaklase na ako. And then I was selling my mango float named JJ's Mango Float. Sa Tacloban yan, only in Tacloban City. And then I was selling, you know Bento? Who's familiar with Bento? I was selling that one as well at government offices. So naglalako ako hin bento boxes when I was in college. Alright, so after that, I applied in Upwork. Who's familiar with Upwork? We work doon, di ba, as freelancers? Yeah. So, napunta ako sa TransferWise. So, yung employer ko is online remittance company. TransferWise is known right now as Wise. So, it's an online remittance company. So, that's my first job. So, alright. So, I'd like to ask everyone right now, do you know Master Ugwe? Familiar, Kung Fu Panda, right? So, do you remember this saying ni Master Ugwe? Yes? There are no accidents. I cling to this word, this phrase, or this quote. I cling to this so much that I'd like to share this to you. Na why you are here right now is not an accident. There's a reason why you're here right now. Okay? So, dili siya, usabay ko, dili siya. Yes, it's not a coincidence and dili sayang ang inyong pagkandidire. Because there's no such thing as accident. Alright? So how I started Peru Life UK, here, just like as you can see here, I attended BYB. Guess where ako dyan? That's me, right there. Magkasap pa. Ano sa'yo magkasap pa? Iniwang pa. Oh. Karon sa pro kay matuod nga daghan na tag makaon. Mag-kuan na ta, mag-chubby na ta sa Pro Life UK. So that was 2018. I was invited by my friend who owns a restaurant, Pugon, in Tacloban City. He called me. Kinsa ba diri ang itawagan? So nag-invite na or gikuyog jud mo din. So go. Yeah. So ako, as for me, nagtawag sa ako, JJ, nami kuan seminar ang use word seminar sa akong restaurant. Join ka. Ingon ako, unsa ni networking ba ni? Ano ako first na kuan. Ingon siya na dili daw. It's way too different. To my surprise, that's my unit manager, Sunshine Tanarcaza. And my BM was there as well, Mama Libeth, our branch manager. She was there. And to my surprise, it's really amazing na. Sabi ko, it's way too different networking. So I became very interested that time. Gusto ko na talaga mag-start right away. Ayoko na mag-sell ng Mingo Float. I want to sell something else. I want to sell insurance. I wanna change people. I wanna touch other people's lives. So I said, I'm really interested, but as a student, not everyone, but as for me, I'm broke, but happy. I was broke that time as a student, so I said, okay, I really want to start. So I approached my Malibeth and I said, what to do? What can I do? And she said, okay, I'll offer you something. You can be my secretary, a part-time secretary here in Cebu. So before I became a full-time financial advisor, I became a part-time secretary of my manager for 6 months. And when I came back to Tacloban, right there, dagan ako na-adman. Not because of my Malibet, I'm here because of my branch manager. So I'm very thankful for my recruiter. By the way, you're wondering this one. That's my recruiter. Don't worry, di pa siya patay. Di pa siya patay, nagka-gray out lang siya. Because he's no longer connected with Pro Life UK because eventually siya other business. So don't worry, naka-blur lang siya. But dili pa siya patay, okay? But that's my recruiter and I'm very thankful for him inviting me sa BYB. That was not an accident. Actually, namaligya ko adto nga moment na nitawag siya. So right now, kung naamo diri, it's not an accident. Maybe there's a purpose, right? Maybe you should try it. So that's it. All right. So why brew? Daghan man ang opportunities, but why do I stick with Pro Life UK? So this is my why, alright? So of course, number one, here the agency here, Pro Life UK, our best friend is Proofin. We call Proofin. Proofin is siya ang nagte-text every Tuesday sa amin. That is our payday every Tuesday. Kasi here yung Pro Life UK, you are not paid 15, 30, 10, or 21. We are paid weekly, every Wednesday. Just you can see here, I was actually in Taiwan at that time. Nagsuloy-suloy ko sa Taiwan. But I was able to receive a text message from Pro Life UK na nakadawat ko compensation at that week. So, weekly. With Pro, you can travel and still earn weekly income. 5 digits income a week is possible with Pro Life UK, or even more. Not just 5. I know people, a lot of people in Pro Life UK who earn 6 digits every week. And it's true. And this one, awards. We have a lot of rewards, not limited to this one, but as for me, I'm just showing you na we have this one, shopping rewards in Pro Life UK. There's a lot of rewards in Pro Life UK, rewards and incentives. Next one, upgrades. All right. So this one I'm thinking kanina when I was in Upwork. I'm not saying all, diba? But I was in Upwork when I bought my first laptop and cell phone. Kailan mo kay home credit? Di ba? So, home credit is best friend. So, I bought my first laptop and cell phone sa home credit. Di ba? But in Brew Life UK, I'm very, very happy na dili man siya top spec, but I'm able to buy it in cash na. And that's a good thing about Brew Life UK. Right? So, if you want to buy gadgets in cash, Brew is the answer. Alright, so this one is way back 2022. When I started in 2018, I was part-time, right? And 2020 started full-time-ish. So, in 2022, by the way, I was 23 years old that time. I got my first car. 23 years old. So, yes, finally, I got my first car. Dinidream ko lang siya nung college pa ako. Sabi ko, gusto ko ng car, gusto ko gray. Yan, gray nga. Yung binigay sa akin. Gusto ko gray. By the way, he's a Nissan Navara. Nissan Navara. How I wish. Next time. Nissan Navara. He's a Nissan Almera, and I call him Hiro. Japanese for prosperity. Yes. So if students, if you want to dream to have your car, or you have dreams, it's possible here in Brew Life UK. Alright, so savings. Alright, when I was an 8 to 5 job, I don't have an opportunity to save money. Save for something else. Like for example, sabi ni Kuya, true. Very true. Sabi ni Kuya, alright, so I didn't have an opportunity to do that. But here in Brew Life UK, I am already saving for, like for example, a new house or for my wedding. So I'm doing that for those things. Alright, time freedom. One of the reasons why I stick to Brew is we have time freedom. We don't have a boss. That's said here. Be the boss. You want to be a boss or do you want a boss? Be the boss. Alright, so as you can see here, wala yung itawag ko Jason na kay Kuan assignment na. So, I was traveling with my girlfriend, nagsuroy-suroy namin kung asa niya nakadawat pa ko proofing every week. Diba? So that's the life we have in Brew Life UK. Nakatravel namin duha sa Taiwan, sa Brew Life UK, nakag-chill-chill. Ang akong kuhanan sa Brew Life is mag-work, mag-travel, mag-work, mag-chill, and nakay freedom. Right? And lastly is giving back. Here in Brew Life UK, it is really fulfilling for me because sa una, Lola's boy ko. So, I really love my Lola more than my chat. I love my Lola. And then before, akong nahatag lang niya siguro pag nag-birthday siya is kuan, ballooning or simpleng I love you lang. Pero right now, nakapag-treat na ko niya sa iyang 81st birthday. So, ako na ang nag-sponsor sa iyong birthday. And then, as you can see sa una, ang ate ko ang nag-treat kung mo gawas me. Akong ate puhan, yung pagbuhan ng car ko, first 2 months kasi hindi pa ako marunong drive. Especially kasi, new driver. So, siya yung nag-drive. So, this was the first day na kinuha yung car. And then, I really can see in his eyes na parang he's really proud of me, kumbaga. Tinatago niya na he's happy but you can see it in his eyes. So that's really fulfilling for me in Brew Life UK na ito pala yung magagawa ni Brew sa akin. With just that call, it began with just a call na you attend BYB, just like this one. And then it turned out this. How amazing, right? Alright, so building a team, as the business presenter earlier, di ba kanina, we have streams of income. We sell, we recruit, and we manage. So right now, what we are doing is, we are building a team. That's me, obviously. So, we are building a team to create another stream of income. Alright, so starting to build my own team with the help of my managers and teammates. So how was my working experience with ProLife UK? Alright, so let me share about the start day when I was starting in ProLife UK pa lang. I have a lot of doubts. Na kaya ko ba to? Diba? Paano ba to? Kaya ko ba to? If I enter this one, will I be able to overcome the challenges? Or will I be able to sell insurance? Diba? That was my questions. Kaya ko ba to? But, good thing about ProLife UK is hindi ka papabayaan ng ProLife UK, especially our managers and the one who recruited you. Right? The one who invited you. So, you just try. Wala namang mawala, diba? If you try. Alright. So, our koan with that one is we have cutting edge trainings. So you don't have to worry about trainings. Because we have cutting edge trainings and we have a lot. First, we have weekly online trainings and huddles. So every week we have Zoom. If you're not available to the face-to-face trainings, we have online. And then we have 24/7 accessible online learning platform, which is the ProExpert. And also our managers and our recruiters will help us. We have huddles and trainings and mentorships. And then also, fun and efficient. That's the words that I can tell you of my work in ProLife UK. Because sa una, way back 2018, I was able to experience na mag-apply ang client na daghan papel na kailangan pirmahan ng client. But the good thing, actually, you're very, very lucky right now when you join ProLife UK because we have Pro1. Pro1 is an online application or a platform wherein you can input the client's information and issue or process the insurance application of the client there. So no more paperless na siya. Murag nagkuhan lang ka Google account, nag-sign up lang ka. That's it, that's easy. And the issuance or ang pag-approve sa insurance takes only 2 minutes. And that's how efficient our system here in ProLife UK. Alright. So, let me end with these words sa inyong tanan. So let me say, you never know what you can do until you try. And very few try unless they have to. So, my advice is you try. Wala'y mawala. Alright. So, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Good evening.
Thank you so much, Sir Jason. Grabe, with just one call, attending VYB, a life has been changed. A round of applause again for Sir Jason. Thank you for sharing your inspiring story.